Hola clase. This module we've been talking about saludos and also the verb ser. So as a quick check of understanding, I'd like to do this video with you. So when we get to a certain point, you'll select from multiple choice options what answer should go on each yellow blank. Okay, so as the conversation goes, you can see this is two people having a conversation, Tomás González Robles and Verónica. So Tomás says, Buenos días, señorita. Verónica says, Buenos días, señor. Out of the options presented to you, which one makes the most sense for Tomás to respond? The conversation continues with Verónica, Me llamo Verónica, ¿y usted? Tomás responds, Soy el profesor González Torres. Verónica says, Encantada de conocerle. Tomás González Robles says, El gusto es mío. What makes the most sense for Verónica to respond at this point? Tomás responds, Bien, gracias. ¿Y usted? And Verónica says, Muy bien, gracias. ¿De dónde es? Tomás responds, what makes the most sense here? De Puerto Rico. ¿Y usted? And then the conversation continues. Soy puertorriqueña también. Mi familia vive en Guayama. ¿Y usted? Soy de Carolina. Adiós, Verónica. Hasta luego, profesor. Now, that conversation was held in a formal tense. This is an informal conversation between two friends, Rodrigo and Rebecca. So, hola, hola. Me llamo Rodrigo, ¿y tú? Soy Rebecca. Encantado. Un placer. What makes the most sense to go on this blank? Bastante bien, ¿y tú? Más o menos. What makes the most sense to go on this blank? Soy de Venezuela, ¿y tú? Soy panameño. Mis padres viven en Caracas, ¿y tú? Soy de Colón. What makes the most sense to go on this blank? Tengo 21 años, ¿y tú? Tengo 19 años. Ciao. The other thing that we learned about in this module are your subject pronouns and the verb ser. So, yo soy, tú eres, vos sos, ustedes, él es, nosotras somos, vosotros sois, ustedes son, and ellas son. So keeping that in mind, we're going to go through these next activities and you'll have a drop-down menu for each one. Mi madre y yo, blank, interesantes. What makes the most sense for that blank? Como blank, ustedes. Usted, blank, bajo. Rafael y tú, blank, perezosos. Blank, Gloria y tú, estudiantes de español. La familia, blank, grande. Blank, tú, la amiga de María. Rosaria y Tomás, blank, estudiantes. Thanks so much for going through this video tutorial, and at this point you can repeat the video tutorial if you would like to. You can email me with questions, or you can move on to the quiz for this portion of the module. Thanks. Have a great day.